A boat trip on the shimmering waters and the refreshing breeze of Lake Brienz. Hello mga ka-Shine Bright! Today's vlog is an enjoyable and relaxing way to experience the spectacular scenery of Switzerland. As I was staying in Interlaken, I decided to take the Lake Brienz cruise boat, and the best way to reach it is in Interlaken OST railway station. You can buy the tickets directly from the ticket counters at the docks using cash or credit cards. If you have a Swiss half-fare card, you can buy tickets at half price. If you have a Swiss travel pass, you get to take the cruise for free. First class tickets allow you to sit on the upper deck of the boat and in a special inside area. I opted for a second class day ticket. The second class allows you to sit outside at the back of the boat and also inside at the back. The Lake Brienz boat tour starts in Interlaken OST or Interlaken East and ends in the village of Brienz at the east end of the lake. You can also do the tour in reverse, starting in Brienz and ending in Interlaken OST. The one-way trip takes about 1 hour and 15 minutes and the ticket costs 16 Swiss francs. If you only want to experience the cruise boat, I suggest buying a one-way ticket to Esseltwald, which only costs 8 Swiss francs. This is where the famous piano scene in Chloe filmed. You can also do the Lake Thun cruise. It starts from Interlaken West and ends in the village of Thun at the west end of the lake. The cruise stops at various points and most of them are hotels. The Thun Lake cruise is about 2 hours journey and one-way trip costs 22 Swiss francs. There was a restaurant inside. Breakfast cruise, lunch, and evening cruises are also available, but expect to pay much higher. After all, nothing is cheap in Switzerland. As the boat pulls up to the pier, you can enjoy views of the surrounding mountains and see a handful of lakefront hotels and pretty waterfront promenade. The water is so blue even if there's no sun in the sky. Mountains surround you on either side and the lake seems to go on for miles. The mirror-like water reflecting mountains and forests was so calming and the color was just spectacular. Alright, so I'm here in Bonn again, guys, and I did the cruise boat to Esseltwald, and nagkamali ako ng baba. Kailangan, dapat sa Esseltwald pa yung baba ko, pero akala ko Esseltwald na, bumaba ako ng Bonn again. But then, it's okay, because this is Lake Brienz, It's so blue, as you can see. Alright. Bluest of the bluest. Yes. Kind of raining today, so... Pero rain or shine, gala tayo, di ba? Ganda-ganda! Lake Brienz. I'm really glad I decided to go on the Lake Brienz boat tour. With high mountains all around you, crystal turquoise waters, and little villages dotted with traditional Swiss houses around the lakeside, it will take your breath away with its beauty. As the cruise travels along the 14-kilometer-long Lake Brienz, it makes regular stops at villages along the south shore and occasional stops on the north shore. The stops are just long enough to let people embark and disembark. After Bonnigan, the boat made its way across the lake to Esseltwald, a village in the south shore of Lake Brienz. What sets Esseltwald apart from the other villages on Lake Brienz is that there's a beautiful little castle on the forested peninsula. If you do decide to visit one of the lakes, each one provides an incredible view as you head into the valley. Whichever you choose to visit, you will certainly not be disappointed by the spectacular views. I had seen many beautiful pictures of Lake Brienz before traveling to Switzerland for the first time, and it was just as wonderful as I was expecting. With vibrant turquoise water, a mountain-frame shoreline, and several cute villages to visit en route, the Lake Brienz cruise is definitely a tour to remember. And that's it for today's video. This is again Shine Bright Like Diamond.